in terms of capability, kayang-kaya kang bulagin itong Bataan Risers.
Hubert Cani misfires from the outside. Bola na tapik na agaw ng Bataan. Robbie Darang, malakas yung dress. Pass to Hubert Cani. Field goal shooting. Both teams not really shooting well. Galliano forcing it up. Bataan having trouble executing on offense. Galliano attacks the defense of DI and scores.
I like the improvement of Josh Galliano.
Darang will shoot over Mike Nayon.
Robbie Darang, even if he is off balance.
6 seconds on their shot clock. Steal by Dave. Lays it in against Robbie Darang.
You have to be careful on the passing lanes. 13 minutes already for Dave Ildefonso here in the ballgame.
Malagasay. Panggaan sila ni Drex. Butata, inabot niya kay Drex de los Reyes. 6 na segundo na lalabi sa shot clock. Manny Pay, the digital wallet built for the community.
Sabi ni Christian Malagasay, sige, supalin mo ako sa loob.
Coach Yong did talk about the maturity of particularly to si Drex na gusto niyang i-develop. No? Dave Ildefonso. 5 on the shot clock. Entry pass broken up. Tumatakbo ang Abra. Nico Elorde lines it up. They could not afford empty possessions. Hubert Cani, this is an open look. And that's a big shot. Three-pointer to cut it down to 6. Once a screen up top, Malagasay offers one. Now he takes the free and makes it. Back-to-back triples for Hubert Cani. Hindi pwedeng hindi.
Minsan kasi mas nakaka-stress sa bahay eh. So at least dito, alam na nila yung dama nila yung stress in general. Dave still has not rested here in the first half.
Octobre, mid-range jumper at the elbow gives them the lead. Pass inside, masikip. Pinasa sa labas, Ildefonso. Dave is fifth free of the ball game. Pass to the outside, quick passing by Abra. Bumagsak si Gonzales. Last touch, Raven. Bola babalik sa Bataan at the controls. Javier this time does not hesitate and he needs more of that, hitting the free. Gonzales one dribble, lost it. A second remaining, the heave by Flores. And that will end the first half.